Hi guys, so for this week's nail art you're going to need some striping tape just to pop on your nail like so. I'm then going to paint the top half of the nail with this rose gold holographic. This is called Champagne and this is one of my own indie brand polishes. If you're in the UK, feel free to look at the link below to purchase one for yourself. Next we're going to do some detail using a black striper. So we're going to do 2 small lines coming from the side and 2 longer lines on the opposite side. Lastly, we're going to apply a rhinestone down here on the nail.